Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 11th, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is continuing its way down, so down 4 cents, 12.66. Post-market, we are down by 4 cents, an additional 4 cents. So let's look at the damage right here. Yeah, so we are still coming down. What can I say? We are still coming down. We have a green candle today. We have a green candle, even though we closed lower than yesterday. So this is why this is a red day. So we seem to be stabilizing a little bit. So we seem to be stabilizing. Look at the slope here. The slope is slowing down. So maybe this 1194 is going to hold. So that's a possibility when I see this. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so this is where we opened today. So yeah, pretty much flat line. So we opened a bit lower than where we closed last Friday. We came back up a little bit, came back up more, and then lost it. But we have an increase here in a stochastic. We are not over 60, like to have a move up. But at least we see this big move up here. So maybe this is an indication that 1194 is going to be support, or even 1237. So just to be safe, 1194. So we should watch out for that. So that's not impossible. Under 60, MACD broke over bearish. The blue line crossed the orange lines. That's a breakover bearish. And now we have our RSI that has broken our trending support up. So the strength of RSI was increasing and increasing, and the stock was decreasing on this part here, but then started to follow the RSI on this other part here. So we are still not as low as where we were here at 1038. So maybe RSI is going to come back up. We have to check 1194. So 1194 is going to be, I think, an important support. And on the DMI, we turn red. Yeah, either we stopped at 1194 or either we stop right here on this support, which might be, I don't know, depending on when we reach it, 1130 or something like this. This is what I would watch for here. So it's possible that we come to that support and stabilize a little bit, and then maybe that is going to be a great opportunity to come back into Palantir again, because that would mean that this upward bullish channel is going to be respected. So maybe this is going to be another point of entry that we can enter into. And then when it comes up to this resistance right here, then we can either sell or just be very cautious in our holding, or you can hold the stock when it's going to do like this, and you can buy a little put each time it goes here. But this is a pretty tight channel. The bigger the channel, the more chance you have to really catch this counter ride, because this is a bull trend. So it's easier to make money when you follow the trend. This is a bull trend, and this bull part of the trend is easier to catch than to catch the other side. But it's not impossible to do. It's not impossible to do. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.